Hello. Customers asked us to assemble a webinar on Office 365 Complete Security Elements. So that's exactly what we did. Myself and Greg Nelson, a cloud architect, walked attendees through a little dash of PowerPoint with a big heap of demo for all the different Office 365 controls available in the Security and Compliance Center. We tried to organize these into buckets in terms of what you might want to do, especially around topics like identity and multi-factor authentication. Or we also looked at activity-based controls to maybe detect and alert on suspicious behavior. We then focused on data and differentiating and alerting on labels for sensitive data and for classification. We tried to overview capabilities to control apps, things that might be known as shadow IT for apps that you're chartered to control, or maybe ones that you don't know about. Great deal of time was spent on email and walking through what we see as common business email compromise scenarios and what to do about it. We also revisited a recent webinar topic of GDPR and how Office 365 can help. After all of these things, and at the end of the hour, we realized a lot of heads might be spinning as well as gears turning. So with all that there is to do, some organizations just don't have the time or know-how to get actionable. We introduced the idea of an Office 365 security check, which is a turnkey solution from us, either as a one-time solution where we're checking about 44 different variables within your Office 365 environment, or as part of a weekly and ongoing effort where we're continuing to run those checks on a weekly basis to validate that nothing's changed or is suspicious happening in your environment. Either way, to get started, people can click or call, and we'll strike up a conversation. Thanks for listening.